How to save items on Temu app. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save items on the Temu app using the Add to Wishlist feature. So, let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Browse through the app until you find the item you want to save. Tap on the item to open its product page. Scroll down and look for the heart icon. Click on the heart icon to save the item to your wishlist. A confirmation message will appear once the item is saved. If you're searching for something specific, go to the home page. In the search bar, type the keywords for the item you're interested in. Find the product you want. Once you find it, save it to your wishlist just like I demonstrated. To easily share your wishlist, tap the Share button in the wishlist section. Check your saved items regularly, as they might go on sale or get limited stock. Now you know how to save and manage your favorite items on Temu. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.